I felt the mountain were calling me before Everest and even after it. I felt I had to go to understand what they wanted to tell me. Once I met a document from Nepal Tourism Agency, and I saw there in one column written the names of the countries, in another column the number of the women and the men. And then every time I check and I see Azerbaijani women, just the number shows 0. And every year I check and it repeats. Then I ask myself, why there is not a woman from Azerbaijan who will go and change this number? And then the thought came to me, and I questioned myself, can you go and change this number 0 to 1? And I say yes. So it became my life mission. And in 2025, on the 15th of May, I changed this number. I made 0, 1, and becoming first Azerbaijani alpinist who did Everest. Every time I reached a summit, instead of feeling this is enough, I felt I'm just beginning. As I moved higher from 4,000 meters to 5,000, then 6,000, new questions appeared. How will I feel at this height? What will change inside me at 7,000 meters? What will be in my heart and in my mind when I stand at the top of the world? When I took the flag of Azerbaijan out of my backpack, I was wearing many layers of gloves and I couldn't really feel it with my hands, but I held it very tightly. It was extremely windy and I was afraid that I will lose it. I raised it higher, directly in front of my eyes. That was the moment my heart started to beat faster and tears, now it's coming to my eyes. And for the first time in my life, at the top of the world, I saw my flag so clearly. And I thought, oh my goodness, how beautiful our flag is. Everest was my mission. I had prepared for it for years. But when I returned to the base camp, after the summit, I faced an unexpected moment. I had to decide whether I would also climb Lhotse, the fourth highest mountain in the world. This was never part of my plan, but I realized I couldn't ignore that calling. I now see Everest and Lhotse as a kind of encyclopedia of life. And those chapters are not finished yet. I feel a responsibility to continue sharing them. My journey showed that Azerbaijani women can be strong, ambitious, nurturing, and brave at the same time. In this way, I become a bridge between people and the mountains. And for me, that is a deep, meaningful, and ever-evolving mission.